Over the past few decades, the way we work has fundamentally changed. Today, cloud-based tools and applications are part of everyday life. We use them to connect with friends, access entertainment, manage banking, share files, and collaborate on projects. The information and services we rely on are available anytime, anywhere. What makes all of this possible isn't just the apps themselves. It's the infrastructure behind them. An infrastructure that delivers value without requiring users to worry about deployment, maintenance, or ongoing operation. When it comes to industrial organizations, however, the reality is more nuanced. Every company has unique priorities. Some leverage existing infrastructure. Others embrace SaaS. Modern manufacturing demands flexibility, not one-size-fits-all answers. That's why we build flexibility into the foundation itself, because your operational strategy should drive the tools you adopt, not the other way around. Earlier, we mentioned that 2026 would be another milestone year. We say that because this year, we are adding something essential: the power of choice. The choice to decide whether your data management infrastructure is self-managed or delivered as SaaS. With PolyWorks 2026, we are introducing DataLoop Cloud, our new SaaS data management service. DataLoop Cloud is designed for manufacturing organizations that want to outsource the deployment and maintenance of a data management server, reducing the time, effort, and cost required to establish the PolyWorks digital thread. Why does this matter? Because choice isn't simply about SaaS versus self-managed. It's about tailoring the solution to your reality. Here's what that looks like in practice. Imagine a small quality control team, 3 to 5 inspectors measuring 10 to 15 parts per day. What they need is minimal storage, zero IT overhead, and fast deployment. Secure data storage, better file organization, and quick access to inspection reports, dashboards, and discussion threads. A low barrier to entry. With DataLoop Cloud, that team can be up and running in minutes, with a yearly per-user subscription priced comparably to a laptop. And as your needs evolve, the solution scales with you. Teams grow, inspection volumes increase, and more data flows across departments and quality control labs. As your needs grow, you have the option to scale. With additional storage and features, DataLoop Cloud supports higher data volumes, intensive data exchange, SPC trends, and data analytics that provide deeper insight into your quality data. For organizations operating at a larger scale with hundreds of users across multiple sites, DataLoop Cloud also supports supplier integration across regions, along with connectivity to other software systems and business intelligence tools. The result is a comprehensive, connected experience that allows you to fully leverage quality data across the enterprise. Why does this matter? Because every organization is different. Some prioritize simplicity, others require scale, and many need a combination of both. If you want the agility of the cloud, you can start quickly, scale easily, and keep your data secure without having to manage infrastructure. And if you prefer a self-managed on-premises deployment, that option remains fully available. Your digital thread, your choice. Ultimately, this is about removing barriers so you can focus on what matters most, delivering quality from your ultimate dimensional inspection lab.